Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So today we will study about the customer master data. In the last class, we have learned what are the master data in the SD. We have studied about basic overview about the customer master, material master, condition master, and we have a output master. And one more master is there, that is a customer specific material, CMIR. So today in this class we will study about the in detail about the customer master. Okay, first of all, what is customer master data? Customer master data, it is the master data where we maintain the customer related information, that okay, like sales related information, general information about the customer. We have a shipping related information for the customer, we have a billing related information for the customer. So whatever the data we maintain in the customer master, that is important while we creating the sales order, because it acts as a source of data for the sales order creation. Okay, now customer master data we have categorized into three level of data. Okay, first one, general data. Okay, next one is we have a company code data. Now then we have a sales area data. First we will understand what is general data. Under general data, in general data, that is maintained at the client level, and it is independent of any organizational unit. Okay, under general data, it is further categorized into different tab pages. So we have tab pages in general data, 7 tab pages around. Okay, like general data. Under general data, categorized into 7 tab pages. First one is address tab. Then next one is we have a control tab. Then next one we have a payment transaction. Sometimes in the interview they will ask what are the tab page in the general data customer master. So you have to remember this, the tab page. Okay. Then we have a marketing tab is there. Marketing tab. The next we have a point. Then we have a export data tab is there. Then last one is we have a contact. Okay. So these are the tab pages under these things we maintain in the general data. Okay.
General data.
General data is categorized into 7 tab pages. We have a address tab, control tab, payment tab, marketing tab, unloading point, and contact
Export
person
data.
and export data. Okay. So each tab we will study one by one. In the each tab, what are the field we have important tab. Okay. So okay. What is address tab? In the address tab, if you see, sorry, any customer is there. Okay. See, what are the tab page in this? We have address tab, control data, payment transaction, marketing, unloading point, export data, and contact person.
Contact person.
Can you see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what are the field we maintain? Like company. That means we will give as a salutation, like title. We will give Mr. Whatever. If this is a person, then we can use it Mr. If it is a company, we can use it as a company. Okay. Now there is a search field is there. These are called tab pages, address control, and these are called as a field. These are called field, title field, name field, field. So we have a search term field where we maintain the, if you want to search for any customer, you can use this, enter any as a short name so that you can search. I am giving test. Okay. Here you can maintain the street. Suppose I am just giving ABCD. You can maintain house number. This is the postal code. Just give it 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is okay. This is the city. Which city is belong to? Bangalore. Okay. This is the country. Which this customer belong to which country? You can maintain the country code. Suppose it is India. Here. This is reason. Reason is nothing. It is the state.
State.
Okay. This is N is for Karnataka. You can select from the drop down whatever the code is there. 0 1 0 this whatever the you want, you can select Maharashtra, then you can select the Maharashtra 1 3 like this. There are so many like important field is there. If you want to maintain the language English, then telephone number, fax number, email address, data line, telefax, all are important. But important field is this is address tab is important. Okay, so we have maintained this. Okay, here one more field is there in general data. Transportation group is there. Transportation zone. See this transportation zone, right? This is important transportation zone because while it will determine the route. This transportation zone is one of the parameter to determine the route. Okay, so it will help in determining the route. While a route means while we do doing the shipping activity, system will determine the best possible route in order to send the goods to the customer. So at that time, system will take the transportation zone from the customer master general data. This is one of the important field here. Okay. Now next we have control data. Okay. Under control data and that is not required. Control data, payment transaction, that is our FI side, and we are not going to maintain anything here. Payment term, these are bank related information. Okay, these are all finance side. Marketing is also not required. Export data, if it is a export customer, we will maintain some kind of export data here. Okay, country, TDO number, this thing we will maintain it. Generally whatever the detail we maintain, only general data we maintain as a address, that's it. If it is a contact person, means who in customer side, who are the contact person, point of contact person, who will you will contact for any kind of communication. You can maintain the detail of the name, first name, telephone number, department. You can maintain here the detail. Okay, then we have a one field is there, marketing. Nelson ID is there. Okay, Nelson ID is also not required. Just I explain you what is Nelson ID. See, in during for any company, if they want to launch any product in the market, what they do? Simply they uh, they didn't launch any new product in the market, right? They before launching any product, they will go through the any particular kind of research. Based on research activity, if they are willing, then they will launch any product in the market. So in that case, Nelson is a company who is into the research. Okay, they give some kind of research data to the company, Based on this, they will create one Nielsen ID and they will assign here into the customer master. And company will utilize this Nielsen ID in order to uh, analyze the report for selling activity. Generally, hardly we use any kind of activity, but we have the option. Here, similarly, we have a customer class. This customer class belong to which kind of class? Based on volume, how much they are doing the transaction. Okay, we categorize into the determine classify the customer. They will maintain here. Why they are categorized into this? Because if it is a high priority customer who is doing the good business with around 5 crore 10 crore per month or yearly basis, definitely you will categorize as a high priority of customer, right? So that if they are placing an order, you will give a more important to high priority customer in compared to low priority customer, because they are giving you a good business. So based on this, we categorize the customer and we will maintain the here. Okay. Similarly, this customer belongs to which type of industry? We will maintain the industry. Okay. If it is agriculture, automobile, service industry, or whatever the industry, we will maintain is in the industry section. Okay. Here you will maintain the annual sales or what are the annual sales of the customer, how much employees there, variant is there. These are detailed from the customer side. You will ask and you will maintain here. That is not too much important. Legal in status means whether it is a private limited, whether it is a government limited, right? Corporation limited, AG. Incorporation that is used in the USA, limited that we use in the India, AG that use in the Germany. Okay. These are the detail we maintain in the general data. I told you one key. We have maintained the customer calendar in the customer master general data. Here we will tell the unloading point calendar, customer factory calendar, right? You see here, customer factory calendar. Here we maintain the customer factory calendar. We maintain factory calendar in the plant, shipping point, and customer factory calendar we maintain in the customer master. Here, because in some case customer will tell you ki just whatever the goods deliver the goods on so date at so and so time, because might be some other important customer and some privacy or some this thing, so they will ask you to deliver on this time on this date. So here you can maintain the customer date timing in this unloading point tab in the customer master. Okay, but hardly any customer will we have the any option, but we have the option. If customer want, we can maintain it. Is it general data is now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we will go to company code data. This is the company code data that in real time company code data will be maintained by the finance team, but here we are practicing, so we need one customer master we will maintain, and only what is the required important field, that is the recon account. Okay, this recon account, that is why we are maintaining a recon account. What is the recon account? Recon account helps to determine the GL account. While we creating the billing document, we need to post the into the financial accounting, so into a particular GL. So based on this recon account, system will determine the GL account. Okay, while doing the billing document, some accounting entry will be generated, like customer account debit and sales revenue account credit. So from where customer GL account will debit? From this GL account. Okay.
So how we know this? We should use this re account
Yeah,
for this customer and this.
yeah. So that's why you will this detail is maintained by the finance team, because whatever the GL they will create based on the discussion with the client, they will create any part GL for if it is a domestic and in number whatever based on reason. There might be case ki some they have the business in four zone: south zone, north zone, west, east zone. Based on zone wise, they have created one GL account. If it is a south zone customer, they will maintain in a separate GL account. So based on this, if it is a south zone, you will ask for south zone customer what are the GL account we will maintain. So FI will team will give you these are the GL for south zone, these are the GL recon account for the north zone. Okay, so they will give you and you will maintain here. You are not going to create any GL account. This is the FI consultant job.
Okay.
Okay. Then payment transaction, correspondent, these are all FI's team. That's why company code is totally depending on the FI side. Next important data is sales area data, that is SD related. Now we will go to sales area data. That is very important because it is related to sales and distribution. Okay. Under sales area data, what are the field we have? Sales district is there.
Sale district.
Sales district, sales office, sales group, customer group, ABC class, currency, switching off, pricing related, customer pricing procedure, that is important, price list, customer price group, customer status group. These are so important field. But what are the important we required? Customer pricing process, this is very important. Currency important. Rest is not so important. But we will study what are the importance of this field. Okay. What is sales district? First of all,
Sale district.
yeah.
Where in which district you are selling?
First, let you explain me what is sales office. Sales office is the sales district is nothing. It is the further sub classification of sales office. Okay, that we generally company use in
Okay.
order to generate the report wise. For a particular under one sales office, there might be some kind various sales district is there, right? So for this sales
Okay.
district 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are the report sales generated for the sales district 1? What are the sales generated for sales district 2? Like this, they can check the report. So generally, company use for this report purpose. So what we will do, we will maintain the sales district and we will maintain here. They can define based on north region, south region, western, south region. You zone wise, you can also categorize into zone wise.
Okay.
Okay. Now next field is sales office. What is sales office?
Sales of.
It is a sales office means it is a physical place where some group of sales group or some kind group of people working in the office in that office in order to perform any sales activity, right? Whatever the sales team we have in every company, there is a sales department, right? So and under the sales
Right.
department, some person are working there. Means they are working as a sales department. They are selling the product of the company. So sales office is nothing. It is the physical place where a group of people are working or performing the sales activity. So here you will assign customer belong to which sales office. If it is a if you have categorized into four sales office based on zone wise, south, north, west, or east. If it is a south customer, you will maintain the sales office south, right? Agar if you
Okay.
have categorized into under south sales office also, there is a four: Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, then this this thing Hyderabad side. Then further you can, if it is a Bangalore, you will maintain the sales office Bangalore. If it is Chennai, you will maintain the
Okay.
Chennai. Like this, you can categorize the sales office. That depend on your client discussion. What are how many sales office you have created based on this. You will maintain the customer master. Means which customer this customer belongs to this sales office. This is also used for the reporting purpose. As I explained in the enterprise structure, sales office and sales group, these are two org unit which are optional. If the company want to use, they can use. If they don't want, they cannot use. That is not required. You can run the cycle, uh, order to cash cycle without this sales office also, say the sales group also. But without sales organization, distribution channel, division, we cannot not run any order to cash cycle in the system.
Okay.
Oh, okay, next one is sales group. Sales group is also nothing, that is the group of people working in the sales office perform
Sales
the particular
office.
sales activity. That is the group of it. Okay, next important field. This is currency, and which currency customer will deal. If Indian currency, US dollar. Okay, if you maintain the currency INR in the sales order screen, in net value and document value, it will be in the this currency only. US dollar,
Okay.
Indian rupees, like this. Okay, then next is you can ABC a customer group. What is customer group? Grouping of the customer based on some attributes, same kind of attributes, based on volume. In case of volume, I'm talking about in case of volume, like there is a customer, uh, dealer customer is there, right? Distributor,
Okay.
some dealer customer is there, some distributor customer is there, some wholesaler is there, right? So why we are distributing the customer? Because whatever the price you are giving to the dealer, the same price of the product you are not giving to the and distributor customer, right? Whatever the price you are giving to the wholesaler, you are not going to give the same price to the retailer.
Correct.
Correct. So we will group the customer based on the value, which will help in order to determine the help in the pricing agreement. For pricing purpose, it will help. Okay. Here, this is order probability 100%. It means what is the chances of converting this customer uh, to order? That is the order probability. We 100% probability they will take any order, yeah, order place any order to you. So based on some analysis, you just maintain order probability 100%. And then exchange rate is there. Exchange rate type, we maintain a standard M. Like exchange rate means we are in export order. It will help in export order. Like we are in country, we are Indian rupees. Now US dollar. So this exchange rate will convert the Indian rupees into the US dollar. Okay.
Good.
Uh, there is a subsetting that finance team will do some kind of setting. Their exchange rate conversion rate factor, $1 equal to how much rupees. So based on this conversion factor, the system will convert the rupees into US dollar. That we maintain as a rate type standard. We have a standard M. Okay, next is what are the important and what left? You just also meant this is a item proposal. Item proposal means This is one functionality, like you have a one customer ABC. Okay, this customer place you order every month around 7 to 8 material. Okay, material A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. Okay, in every month they are giving you an order for this customer. Now user, what they will do, they will create sales order on every month. They will go to sales order, they will enter the sold to party, ship to party, then material, quantity, this thing means they will create and they will save it. Now if their customer, this customer are giving you same material order in every month, in that case you can maintain the list of the material for the customer, and while creating the user sales order, you will system will give you pop-up list of material. From there you can select the material 1, 2, 3, right? So it will help to reduce the time of the end user. Okay, you understood
But
this point?
but it is, if the material is same only, so we can choose it, no? If the every time if he order the material, different material, so how it will?
So if they are placing an order different material, there is no need to maintain the item proposal. If they are maintain and giving you order same material, they have the list of material around 10 material. This material only they are placing order.
Okay,
Okay, then what you can do, you can maintain the list of the order. I will show you in the system
okay,
also. I will show you in the system also. In the practical I will show you. Okay, so what we will do, we will maintain the list of all the 10 material for this customer, for this VF51. What is this? Item proposal type. We have a type PV.
PV.
Now there is no assignment for this, so we need to do some configuration setting, that's why. We need to assign the sales area for this item proposal type. Okay, that's one system is now. Once we will take
Okay,
the I will show you in one day in class item proposal, there I will explain. Okay, so what we will do here, we will just enter the proposal type and enter the sales area data, and the system will give you one screen. Okay, so there we will maintain the all the detail of the material, and once and save it. System will give you one number, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what you will do, we will maintain here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here in the here customer master. Okay, so when you will create the sales order for this customer, system will give you pop-up to select the item. You can select drop down,
okay.
check 1, check 2, check 3, or like this. It means no need to enter the material again and again. You can just select and that's it.
Hmm.
This is the functionality of this item proposal. Okay, now next one is, this is very important, pricing procedure. Customer pricing procedure.
Customer price.
Customer pricing procedure means it is one of the parameter to determine the pricing procedure in the sales document. We have a pricing procedure is determined in the system. We have a criteria like based on sales area, customer pricing procedure, that is will determine from here customer pricing procedure, sales area tab, and we have a document pricing procedure that will study in the document type. Okay, so system in the interview, very important questions, how pricing procedure is determined, they will ask you. You tell pricing procedure is determined based on sales area, you just explain sales area or just say sales organization, distribution channel, division plus customer pricing procedure that we maintain in the customer master sales tab. Then tell document pricing procedure that we maintain in the document type. Then pricing procedure will be determined in the sales area. Okay, because in the pricing procedure, all the pricing type, condition type of the we maintain we assign. So system will calculate all the price from based on customer pricing based on pricing procedure. In determination, there's this is one kind of determination, pricing procedure determination. In condition technique and pricing procedure, once we will study, there we will see the this combination. We have a setting is there, OVKK setting is there, where we will make a combination. Just just for now, just remember this customer pricing is very important, and it is one of the parameter to determine the pricing procedure. That's it. Okay,
Determine the
pricing procedure.
pricing procedure.
Hmm. Okay, next topic. Next field is important. Yes. Okay, price group and price list. Okay, these are price group, price list. What is the difference between this price group and price list? Price group means grouping of here. One more thing. Don't this is the price group. This is the price list. Grouping of the customer who will share the same attribute based on some discount. Suppose there is a group of customer to which we are giving the same percentage of discount. Okay, same percent,
Okay.
10% discount or 50% discount. There are around suppose 10 to 15 customers there. All 10 to 15 customers we are giving the 10% discount. So it means what you can do, you can make as a list group A one, whatever the group you can maintain, and here you can assign means whenever the and you have to like bulk is there, occasional is there, new customer, whatever there is there, you can maintain is there. Yes. Why we are maintaining this price group? Because whenever you maintain the condition record for the customer, if customer belongs to this price group, system will determine the 10% discount in the sales document. Okay.
Okay.
So system will determine that give the 10% discount to all customer who belongs to price group 01, because we maintain the combination condition record for this combination price group.
Mhm.
So it is used in the pricing. Okay. Now next is what is price list there? Price list is also same grouping of the customer, same customer, but which has the same base price. Okay, which has the same base price, that as called as a price list, which have the same discount, we called as a price group. I told you in the here we give the some price to the dealer, and whatever the price we are giving to the dealer customer, the same price we are not giving to the distributor customer. There are some price difference, right? Similarly,
Right.
wholesaler, retailer, there are different price group is there, price to the customer. If I am selling the 100 rupees to the dealer customer, might be we will sell the 110 to the distributor customer, or 115 to retailer, 112 like to wholesaler customer. Like this we will give the price to the customer. So where we will maintain the price list. If customer belongs to any grouping price list, wholesaler, retailer, and whatever internet seller customer, internet selling customer means this is 90. No, this is not 90. You can create the price list and you will maintain assign here in the customer master. Okay. These are so important field. Already explained so many field here, but just remember these two important. This price group, price, customer pricing procedure, price list, you just remember. These are very important. Currency is important, and sometimes they will ask you item proposal. Now, how the interview will ask the question in this customer master? They can ask you like this: where do we maintain the customer pricing procedure? So you should know where do we maintain, in which tab page, in which sales area data. Customer master which data? General data, company code data, or sales area data? So you have to explain like we maintain the customer pricing procedure in customer master, sales area data under sales tab. Is it okay?
Okay.
You have to give the answer like this. Definitely in every interview question you will find this question: where do we maintain the customer pricing procedure? Why? Because this is very important, because this standard this customer pricing procedure, our pricing procedure will not determine in the uh, sales document. This is very important. Sometimes they will also ask you what we maintain as a standard. Just tell one. Okay. Rest I don't think they will ask you. Currency we maintain, item proposal they are not going to ask you, but depends on the interview. Now next tab, we will go to next tab, that is shipping tab. Shipping tab, it explains where we maintain the shipping related information to the customer. Now first tab is delivery priority. Okay, what is delivery priority? Means suppose based on you have already grouped the customer based on high level priority customer, low priority customer, medium priority customer, moderate priority customer. Okay, so means we classify this customer based on priority. Means if they are doing a good business with you, will give as a high priority customer. Why? Because once they will place an order for the same material, and some low priority customer is also placing an order for the same material, then definitely as a uh, business terminology, a business point of view, definitely you will give to the first, to the high priority customer, because you don't want to lose the customer, right?
Right.
So similarly, what you will do, even if you have created the sales order also for the low priority customer, what you can do, you will cancel the low priority customer, you will assign the goods to the high priority customer, because you don't want to lose the customer, because they are giving you business uh, more than higher than the low priority customer.
Okay.
So next field is shipping condition. What is this shipping condition? Shipping condition is determine important parameter in order to determine the shipping point. It will help to determine the shipping point. Without shipping point, shipping condition, shipping point will not be determined. Okay. Because so many determination is there, we will see in separate class. I will take one separate class for all the determination. We have a delivery plan determination, shipping point determination, a storage location determination, pricing procedure determination. Okay, then account determination. So many determination is there. We need a item category, schedule line, so many determinations. So I will take a separate class for all the determination, because shipping point is very important. Without shipping point we cannot do the delivery. Whenever you go to any transaction, in order to create the delivery, system first will ask you the shipping point only. See what is system will asking you shipping point, right? Here you will give the shipping point and order, for which order you want to create the delivery and date. Then your system will allow you to enter the creation screen. So shipping point is very important in order to determine the shipping point, shipping condition is very important. Then next is we have a delivery plant. Delivery plant, see, uh, any plant, delivery plant is determined based on three parameters, based on priority basis. First in customer material info record, there we maintain the delivery plant. System first will give the priority in customer material info record. If plant is not maintained there, then system will check the customer master. Under shipping tab, delivery plant is maintained or not. Third parameter, system will either check the delivery plant in the material master. Okay. In three place we maintain the delivery plant. Okay. This is the important question also. How delivery plant is determined? Delivery plant is determined based on customer material info record, second priority customer master, and material master. These things, these people, pressure level, people know how, from how it will determine. But sometime interview will ask you,
Customer test.
select this, go to here. See, there is a plant is there, right?
Right.
Here we maintain the plant. This is the master data. We will study also after customer master, material master. We will study this thing also, where we maintain the customer specific information in this customer master, like delivery plant is there, if they want minimum delivery or not, delivery priority, what is the priority for this customer, what is the they want complete delivery or partial delivery only. Based on this we will maintain here the information. Okay, then order combination means sometime we make the delivery for n number of order, multiple order we create one delivery, right? First, so for this customer we need to tick this order combination field. That's it. If it is ticked, then only system will allow you to create the multiple order into single delivery for this customer. Then next one is relevant of this is POD. You know, understand what is POD? Proof of delivery. Okay. Here you what you have to do? You have to just tick the proof of delivery, and here you will enter the date like 10 days. What is proof of delivery? First, understand what is proof of delivery. Okay. Proof of delivery means like sometime we will send the goods to the customer, right?
Right.
Now customer will not give you any kind of acknowledgement for receiving the goods. Okay.
Correct.
Until and unless we will not receive any acknowledgement, proof of delivery from the customer in, system will not allow you to create the invoice for that delivery. Okay. Now suppose you have given this send the goods today 18. Now you have maintained the here 10 days. Till 10 days system will not allow you to create the invoice for the customer, for this customer. Okay. Once they will send you the
Okay.
proof of delivery within this 10 days, then you can create it, otherwise you cannot create. Now still after 10 days system customer has not sent the proof of delivery, then after 10 days system will allow you to create the invoice, because you have given that 10 days as a grace period to the customer to send the acknowledgement, but customer has not sent the acknowledgement. Then after 10 days system will allow you to create the invoice to give for the customer. That is the importance of this relevant for POD and proof of delivery time, means we maintain the days, number of days here. Okay. So next one is partial delivery. Whether customer wants only complete delivery or partial delivery is also they have allowed, because sometimes customer will place you give you, we need this much of xyz material, 100 quantity, but in your stock there is no 100 quantities, only 80 quantities there or 60 quantities there. And what, but customer does not want 60 quantity, they want only complete 100 quantity. If the customer is like this, then you cannot send the to the customer,
Partial delivery.
yeah, you cannot create the partial delivery because you have the restriction from here, complete delivery system will not allow you to create the partial delivery. Okay.
Partial delivery.
Now if you system wants to allow you okay, send it 60 delivery, other next time you just send me the 40 delivery. Okay, remaining 40 delivery you just send it. So you can, if it is allowed, then you can maintain here. See.
Partial delivery.
Mhm. In partial delivery also, how many times? See, C means complete delivery allowed. Maximum one delivery. Means at a time only one delivery. If 100 quantities, you have sent a 60 quantity, system will not allow you to create remaining 40 quantity also, because you have only one complete delivery. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes this is a unlimited tolerance, under tolerance, general tolerance. Tolerance means like customer has giving you order for 100 quantity. Okay. After some time, they again call you and tell, okay, just give a add. They have given 100 quantity. Now they are telling to add 20% more, like 20 quantity more, right? Make it
Right.
120. Now you already created the 100 order for 100 quantity. Now what you will do, if there is a in the delivery, I'm talking about delivery tolerance group. Now there you can add the 20% quantity, increase the quantity in 20% the delivery. If you, what you will do, you will maintain the 20%. 20% means you can increase that till the 20%. 100 means 20. 20% of 100,
20.
20. You can add 120. Similarly, this is the over delivery tolerance. This is under means you 20 means you can reduce the 20% means till 80. Sometimes they will also tell you just reduce the 20% or make it as a 80%. So here you can do in decrease the tolerance. Over tolerance means you can increase, under tolerance means you can decrease. That's it. Okay, any doubt here? We will move to the next tab page.
The delivery plan and all this, we have to make the list for this.
Delivery plant means, yeah, definitely. What are the delivery plant, and if the customer wants, why we maintain the delivery plant means customer wants any goods from a particular delivery of a particular location only. So what we will maintain as a choice for the customer in the
Okay.
here. You can maintain it. Sometime you can change the delivery plant manually also in the sales order. There is no restriction. You can change it. If you maintain here, system will determine the delivery plant automatically in the system.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the delivery plant. Now next tab page we have is billing document. Okay. Here what is the tab is, you can maintain the Incoterm is there, terms of payment is there, account assignment group is there. Okay. Then we have a tax, whether this customer is relevant for our tax or not. This is means one means liable for tax. This customer is liable for tax, because sometimes some government customer, they might be they are not liable for taxes, right? They have tax exempted. So we will not maintain any data for this customer. We will maintain as a zero, exempted, tax exempted. So these tags we will maintain. We will create coding, and then we can use it as standard also, no issue. Okay.
So who will the will put the tax amount and all that, or maybe a FIA
No. You will you
account?
have to. SD consultant will create the tax category classification that we will
Okay.
create tax category.
Okay.
Then we have account assignment group. What is that? Similarly, we have a account assign customer pricing process is there. One. Then we have a account assignment group 01. That is also it will determine the GL account. So this account group is one of the parameter to determine the GL account. So in GL account also determined based on chart of account, then sales organization, account assignment group for the customer, account assignment group for the material. Then we have a account key that we maintain in the pricing procedure. We will just remember that's it. This is one of the parameter to determine the GL account. Okay.
So we have to assign this every time, account assessment group.
Yeah. These are the value they have created. Our finance people will take the amount from the customer. They will go to this
So
customer
in
customer for this customer, and they will check what are the due amount for this customer, where they will see in the
okay,
GL account only, right?
okay.
If
So
it
every customer have different account assessment group.
Yeah, every customer you have to maintain. If it is a domestic customer, you make it as a domestic revenue. Whatever the domestic sales generate, it will trigger into one particular GL account.
Okay,
If it is a foreign, you can maintain as a two. You can use this to standard also, and you can create own also.
okay,
This is whatever the foreign revenue will do the business, it will trigger in this revenue generate. Means these are the GL. Based on this, system will determine the particular GL. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Next is important phase. You can terms of payment. What do you means by terms of payment? Terms of payment means it is an agreement. Means sometime customer and company they are telling okay just make the payment within a 10 days or 15 days or 30 days or 1 month. They are giving a 1 month grace period to pay the payment, right?
Right.
So it is called terms of payment, like 30 days or cash on delivery only we will maintain here. Means as a grace period company is giving to the customer in order to pay the amount. Like if you maintain 0001 immediate payment, you take the material and at that time only you have to pay. Otherwise if for invoicing up to 30 months, within 10% days cash 10% discount is there, right? Sometimes some scenario
Right.
companies say if you pay it at a time, I will give you 5% discount, 2% discount, 10% discount, like this. See 002 within 14 days if you pay, I will give you 3% cash discount. Within 45 days, no discount. Like this, the company give the time to the customer. This is the
Customer.
terms of payment. Okay. Now this is Incoterm. What is the importance of the Incoterm? Incoterm means International Chamber Commerce. Okay, this is the Incoterms. It is it's the abbreviation. It means international commerce, a chamber of commerce. Terms of means it is an agreement between the company and the consignor. Means suppose like who you are doing the shipping to the customer, then who will bear the cost? for shipping activities, transportation charge, right? Loading charge, insurance charge. Who will take care? Your company or customer?
Right.
So based on this, it will decide either if suppose Flipkart is delivering the goods to the any customer. Now in between something happened, right? Who will take care the insurance charge on delivery charge and loading charge? Who will take care? Company will bear or a customer will bear? Based on this, it will determine the Incoterm. Okay, next is that's it. This is rebate, whether sometime rebate, rebate?
Again
Rebate,
and again.
rebate. Rebate,
Wait.
rebate means we have a rebate is determined. A rebate agreement is there. We have like sometime you are some amount of you are keeping in some separate GL for at the time of monthly wise or yearly wise, you will give a rebate to the customer.
Okay.
Generally, it's happened like in a wholesale or retail customer, like you are doing business annually. Sometimes what annually I will give you 5% total whatever the sales you have generated till the 10 lakh 15 lakh, I will give you 1% 2%, right? So rebate is
Okay.
determined based on three parameters that we have in sales area. Sales area we have a rebate field is there, you saw, right?
Oh,
In sales organization you saw the rebate field is there, right? Relevant for rebate. See, relevant rebate proactive field is there, right?
Very proactive.
Similarly, sales organization. Second one is in customer master billing document. Under sales area tab, billing document tab, rebate is there. One more is there that we in the billing type. We have a billing type. There we have a rebate is there. Okay. One more is there, billing tab. There we have a with the rebate is determined based on sales organization, then customer master, then third one is billing document. You select any billing type. Here you will see the rebate. We have a rebate field is there, rebate settlement, right? Relevant for rebate. If this parameter, if this checkbox is ticked, then only rebate will be active. Rebate is a separate topic. Rebate settlement is a separate topic that we are not going. That is advanced level. Okay. I hope everything is completed. Invoice list, invoice date is there. Okay. Invoicing date is there. Invoicing date means invoicing date. Okay. Now, invoicing date means suppose now your customer is telling whatever the invoice we are generating on a monthly basis. Like in monthly, they have order 4 to 5 order. Whatever the invoice generate, they want particularly on a monthly end basis or a first day for all the invoice. Whatever that they will do the transaction in the month, whole month, they will create a one invoice on a 38 month end, 38 or first day of the month. What you will do, we will specify the date and system will allow you to create all the invoice on a particular date. That is the invoicing date. Okay. Partner function, that is a Nautica already explained you partner function. Sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, pair, these things. I hope this customer master, all the field controls we have done. Any doubt in here in any field?
No, no, sir.
Okay. Just I explain you the table level. What are the table we have for customer customers master general data table? We have KNA1. Okay. KNB1, that is the company code data. Customer customer master partner table. We have KNVP. These are the important table. In every interview, they will ask you what is the table for customer master general data KNA1, company code data KNB1, and sales area data KNVB, and customer master partner function KNVP for partner function. These are the important. I just maintain also. ADRC, and that is the where you can see the address of the customer master. These are the important table. The customer master you have to remember. Okay. Hello.
Arjun,
I explain you table level. You understood, right?
yeah, can
We have a T code to check any table if you want to table level if you want to check the data. We have a T code SE16N. Okay, SE16N. You can maintain. Go to SE16N here. SE16N. Enter. Now see KNA1. That is the customer master general data. See general data customer.
data.
Whatever the field we maintain in the general level, whatever the field we maintain, it will show here. And these are the technical name for the field. Okay, technical name is important because while making the report, this thing we need to discuss to the paper with the paper to explain the field table. Now we have a company code data BNA1. Okay, this is a company code data. Okay, if you execute whatever the customer it is there, it will show you all the customer master data. Go there. This is the execute button. See, these all are customer created by recon account. These are the all recon account in this customer. These are all detail. more than 500. We have entered them only 500, so it's showing only 500 data. Just I'm giving basic this thing, you just check in the system. Similarly, we have a sales area data, KNA VV sales area data. Just execute here. You will see whatever the detail we have maintained for the customer number, sales organization, distribution channel, division. This customer has defined for this sales organization 775001000. This customer 00011010 like this. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, if you want to see the partner function data, what you have to do, you have to maintain the customer number. Suppose I have maintained customer 1. Execute. They will show a customer 1. Under this, what are the partner? Sold to party, ship to party, pair, ship to party. Okay. This thing it will show you. Now these are the table level which I explain you. You have to remember this. This is very important, and interview point of view also, and in the real time also. You have to check sometime the data. You can check it actually. I hope I have completed the customer master. Next class we will study about the next topic.